The purpose of the VA Innovation Creation Series is to accelerate the development of personalized prosthetics and assistive technologies for veterans. And we're hoping this can help inform how we can create personalized prosthetics and assistive technologies for patients more broadly, not just veterans and service members. So how this Makeathon works is that it's over a 48-hour period. And at the beginning of the first day, people have the opportunity to pitch different problems or challenges or opportunities to create these personalized prosthetics and assistive technologies. So they're really starting with a problem to solve. Then, with that problem, they're forming teams. Throughout the next 2 days, they'll then continue to build, prototype, and iterate on ideas based on feedback with clinicians and veterans and other patients. By the end of the 48 hours, they'll then have to demo what they've built.
For this event, we brought 14 of our printers. We are including the MakerBot, Mojo, Uprint, the Fortis 250, and the Fortis 450. This really provided a lot of flexibility to the students to try different materials and evaluate their designs across a different variety of machines.
3D printing is by far the coolest thing for being able to prototype something quickly. In fact, yesterday, just an hour or two into our design process, we actually had them print some of the pieces so that we could test them and see if they worked, and we actually had time to do a different iteration and correct the mistakes that we had from our first design.
3D printing allows you to have these innovative designs because it's so open source that you can do anything. You just need some design software and a little bit of imagination, and you can soar with it.
This is my high heel. This is a modified cheetah for a child that they put padding in. This one pivots where the red is. You know what I want? Is one socket that fits comfortably and a coupler right here. So I can pop this off and put this one on. Pop this off and put this one on.
Above the cosmetic necessity to just go back to being a normal person, not getting stared at, not being asked questions. Above that, being comfortable and being functional.
We are really working on focusing on female needs with prosthetics. So a lot of prosthetics are designed with utilitarian needs and things like that, so they work for men and women, but they don't quite fit right, or they don't quite have the same aesthetics that a woman might want. Why not do prosthetic fairings? So fairings are amazing, and they've proven to help people with their self-confidence. So while interviewing Lisa Murray, I thought, well, a lot of fairings run anything from $600 to $2,000. So the idea was, why not make a fairing that's really low cost? So with this one, it was great because we were able to send in a print last night and say, oh, that didn't fit, let's do another one. Came up with this file, oh, that didn't quite fit, so we made another one on another small printer, and now we're actually able, within 24 hours time, to actually test the product. Versus if you were to actually make the product and get the molds made, it would cost, hundreds of thousands of dollars.
It's been very beneficial to have Stratasys involved, because what it's doing is bringing in these 3D printers to the event so that teams can actually co-create and iterate with Stratasys to develop these customized devices that really meet the unique needs of each veteran.